Hello, my YouTube friend. We're back in the shop. We have a lot of work to do, and we have a Funko Pop collection that we're going to buy today. So this is going to be a lot of fun. It's 10 a.m. We open up at 3, so I have about 5 hours to try to get all this done. Let me give you a shop update. Okay, the front is finally pretty much clear. I have an empty box here because I was working on a comic collection that I bought yesterday. I'm actually going to film a second video today for Pop Comics, showing everyone those comics. So this is pretty much cleared out now. I just have to clean up these shelves because they're just a mess right now. I got rid of a stack of old magazines there that just been in the shop too long. This side, I still have these boxes to work on. I'm overwhelmed, but I'm getting through it. We have a stack of records. My record guy just dropped off. I actually started giving back a bunch of stuff to my record guy to make room. So like I went through the records on the bottom here. Like I cleared out that box. So I was making room for the records. I'm trying to make it just so that there's just better records in the shop and just not so cluttered. So we have 2 giant bags here of Funko Pops we're going to go through. These come from Valerie and Gio. So this is fun. This is the first collection I've really bought in a while. And I'm hoping to get back on the wagon and just start buying collections again, just because that makes for fun videos and I know you guys enjoy it. Then I have a whole pile of clutter here. This is all for my record guy, so I got to price this all out. The good thing is he brought me a whole bunch of packs of cards. So those are really good. We have a lot of like action figures, which I'm going to show you in a minute. A bag of Pokemon, bags of loose toys, some posters, some video games. Just a whole mix of stuff right there. And then the front here still has some clutter I got to work on. I'm going to condense these boxes a little bit, make room for the new card boxes, and maybe move some of the weaker boxes to the side here now that I've kind of cleared out the front here. I got a lot organizing, but I feel like this week if I get this all organized, the shop will be a lot nicer. I need to get rid of this air filter too. It clogs up, and I don't really have room for this chair. I need to find a spot for this. I need to get a new chair because this one's kind of old and beat up. But that's to do later in a couple weeks, I think. Okay, front here I have a box of stuff that's a trade-in I gotta work on today. Over here, let's see, we have a few messy boxes of Pops I gotta clean up from the weekend. The shelves are starting to clear out. That's kind of why I'm ready to buy, because I've been making room. I've been trying to sell stuff, trying to make room. The back here we're making some progress. I think I cleared out a couple little bins of stuff. I thought I emptied out one of the bottom shelves here, but it looks like maybe I don't know exactly what I did. Oh, you know what it is? I emptied out, but then I just put some empty long boxes right here. So these, I actually have to find enough comic books to fill that up. And the goal in the next like month or so is I want to get this whole shelf full of comic books. I just want a lot of comic books in the shop. I just have so many. Like right now, there's room in some of these boxes. Uncanny X-Men's pretty full. Wolverine has a little bit of room. I want to get these filled up. I've been pricing out as best as I can. I need to get a lot more priced out though. These shelves I cleaned up a little bit, but it looks like I gotta clean them up again. This needs to be fixed. I just get to the point where the boxes start getting a little bit floppy when there's not enough comics in them. I priced out a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff yesterday, and then we immediately sold like $100 worth, so that was pretty cool. Yes, see, these boxes. Yeah, there's room in all these boxes that kind of fit. Oh, I also priced out a whole ton of Invincible comics. Like, I gotta make a section for that. So I got my work cut out kind of organizing. The weather's getting better now. It's not like super hot. Today's really beautiful. It's like 74 degrees right now. So I feel like I'll be able to get back in the shop a bit more and get some more of the work done. When it gets up into the 80s and 90s, I just get so miserable. I just don't want to be in the store at all. So pretty much throughout the summer, I just wasn't doing too much just because I was feeling miserable. I was just focusing on doing fun comic book videos, basically. But hopefully this fall, we're back into the buying collections and doing lots of videos. Oh, I also realized what I want to do with the DVDs is I don't really need a wall because they're not like my bestseller. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get some boxes. Not that size. I think this is the size that fits DVD size cases, and actually just put them underneath. Right? Just label a box like comedy, cartoons, animation, you know, that kind of thing, and just have bins that if someone really wants a DVD, they can dig through it and kind of find them. And then I'm gonna put just regular shelves right here so I can just load it up with toys and collectibles. I gotta get the middle columns wrapped in pegboard so I can hang some stuff up. I gotta get a shelf in the middle here that's better than these old junky shelves. And then in the back, I just have to finish these shelves I have here and kind of like circle around the window, put it right here, just make this area way more organized. It's just a chaotic mess right now, and I need to clean it up. I started thinning out the board games those board games we gave back like 2 shelves worth to my record guy yesterday. I think we're gonna cut back just to essentials, just like maybe like Monopoly, Scrabble, chess, and just the stuff that's really popular, because I just need to be more organized because it's a chaotic mess back here and I just don't feel like this is functional at the moment. That's my fall job, is just to get to the rest of the store. Like last fall I did the shelves over here. It looks fantastic. I've been selling a ton of pops this year. This works pretty well. A few people complain that we have too much pops in the store. You know, it's like, oh, it's 5 deep, I can't dig through, that's too much. But you know, for me, I like going to a store where there's too much of what I want to dig through and look for. Otherwise, it's just like a manicured store where I put everything at higher price. My shop's the kind of shop that you want to dig in. So that's what this is. This is a wall of digging right here. You want to dig through these. And if you want the newest arrivals, are right on the floor. Okay, I guess I'm gonna open up these bags and pull everything out. I'm gonna show you everything that's in these bags, then I gotta price them out. Okay, let's just take a quick peek on the top of these bags. It was drizzling a little bit the other day, so they put plastic on top. So I think it's going to be some better stuff. You know, Susie, that's really cool. So yeah, I think... Oh, we have one of the Pikachus. So I think there'll be some like decent $20 to $30 pops mixed in. I don't know if there's any big grails, they said, but I think it's going to be just a good fun mix. The kind of stuff I kind of need for the shop, because I feel like I'm getting a little bit picked over right now. And I need to start restocking more often. Okay, and then this bag... Take a quick peek on the top here. Oh, we got a couple of these. Oh, it's the Chase. Oh, that's cool. We have, oh, this is my favorite Thor. Love that Thor. That's a good like $30, $40 one. That one's cool. I don't know if I've had that one before. Okay, so this is gonna be fun. Let me just pull them all out of the bag, set them up, and kind of show you what's in each bag. All right, let me do that for you guys. Okay, the first wall of pops actually looks like some neat stuff over here. We have a One Lucky Day Pikachu, Deluxe Catwoman, Crash Bandicoot with Scuba Gear, Wasp Chase, that's neat, Laura Moon Chase, that's neat as well, Butterhorn, Gus in Pajamas from Saga, love that one, Venom Pool, Mr. Meeseeks, Elliot Alderson, Miles Morales Gamer, Johnny from Dirty Dancing, Sneasley, Daryl Ward Chase, Beetlejuice, Clown Deadpool, Twinkie the Kid, Dr. Emmett Brown, Batman Who Laughs, Agasuko, Batman Hush. You know what, these Jim Lee ones, absolutely love these. These are some of my favorite. Joker Hush, Cuphead Cagney Carnation, the like translucent orange Jasmine, Rainbow Dash Sea Pony Chase, Edna Jack Jack, Aku Aku from Crash Bandicoot, Susie, the New York Comic Con exclusive, Flock Snagglepuss, that one's really cool, Gemini exclusive, 13th Doctor, and the GameStop Mercy. So yeah, that first batch of pops are really neat. Okay, the second batch of pops, there's a lot of really nice pops in this batch. We have the Wolfman from The Nightmare Before Christmas, Super Saiyan 2 Gohan, Conductor Mickey, the Joker Gamer, he's super cool, Coco Bandicoot, Constantine, the free comic book day version, the Joker Gamer Chase, that one's really cool, Coraline and Raincoat Chase, that's cool too, Miles Morales, Gary Terry, Max, that one's gonna sell really quick, Alex Trebek Chase, Edna Jack Jack, Shota Aizawa, Rocco with Spunky, Charlotte Flair, Elf Betty Boop, and Pudgy, I like that one, the really fun like original look Thor, Rocco and Spunky Chase, the Deadpool Gamer, Swarm Sniper, Groot Gamer Chase, the Black Pop Female, Wildcat GameStop exclusive, Fake Crash Bandicoot, Charmander, Devil Betty Boop, I really like these ones, Angel Betty Boop, those ones are cute, Bulbasaur, Hudson Special Release Series exclusive, Western Morty, Todoroki from My Hero Academia, and Hellboy in a Suit. So yeah, lots of really cool pops in that batch. Alright, last batch of pops, lots of really cool ones. We have the 8-bit Joker Chase, Laura Palmer from Twin Peaks, the Blank Pop Mail, Ryu 8-bit Chase, the Reptar Chase, that one's gonna go real quick, Shadow the Hedgehog, Pickle Rick, Sylvester and Tweety, the cool New York Comic Con Beetlejuice, glows in the dark, the metallic Sonic with Ring, the Steve and Diamond Armor GameStop exclusive, Ranoa Zorro. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Johnny Rico from Starship Troopers. The FIE exclusive Reptar. Surtur? Am I saying that right? Chef Louis. Morty from GameStop. The Deadpool Gamer Chase. Western Rick. The Doofus Rick from GameStop. Vulture GameStop exclusive. Nightlights. The Flocked Grumpy Bear. It's a box exclusive. The Barb from Stranger Things. This one is signed by the actress, but it doesn't have a certificate, so we're not quite sure on the value on that one. Glows in the Dark Spider-Man and Natasha Romanoff. So yeah, lots of really cool pops. All right, I'm pretty happy with that collection of pops because I know there's a lot of amazing stuff. I'm gonna put it all out in the store. I'm trying to not keep anything at the moment, so everything's gonna be for sale. So by the time you see this video, there's probably already in the shop for sale. Okay, let me go through some of the stuff my record guy dropped off. Let's go through the carded figures, just to see what's in here. I'm gonna basically transfer them into this kind of box just so I can stack it up, and you know, if I can't get it all priced today, I just can keep it clean. We have a Preacher figure, that's cool. We have kind of a junky figure. I don't know if I'll be able to sell that one. Oh, this is fun. The Monster Armor figures, I like those. Those are cool. We got a Austin Powers figure. Looks like we have some vintage Batmans from the 90s. Metallic Armor Batman. I think my regular Rose actually might have interest in those. Samurai Batman. That one's actually really neat. Kiss car. Another Kiss car. Those are cool. Was that Vampire Spike or just a vampire from Buffy the Vampire Slayer? That's really neat. Dawn figure. Yeah, very like late 90s figure collection here. This one's not going to sell either. Those kind of stick around forever. And a deluxe Spawn figure. So it's like a Dracula. That's really cool looking. I haven't seen that one in person before. Very cool. Okay, I like that. Okay, we have a Holiday Barbie doll. These do eventually sell. I'm not a huge fan of them, but they do sell in the shop. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh, that's fun. We have a Death figure. And it says it's a variant figure, so I don't know if it's a rare version. I kind of want to keep that one, but I can't. I'm trying to not keep anything these days. Is this a Schleich? Yeah, we have a Schleich Dragon. This is super neat looking. Good quality figure there. So what do we have here? Oh, okay. We have a 90s alien figure. What is this? This is the Rhino alien. That is cool. That figure has a little bit of value. Maybe like 25-ish. Oh, okay, we have another Death figure. So I think this is a slightly different version, but that is really cool. And oh, and Skeleton Warriors, that's cool. Some vintage 90s stuff. Do you like the Skeleton Warriors? Man, if I had more space, I'd be buying half of these. Panther Alien. Do you like the 90s Alien series? Prophet. This one might be a little bit harder to sell. All that oddball like Ultraverse or Image stuff just does not sell very well. Oh, Ozzy Osbourne like Sasquatch. That's actually kind of neat. I like that one a lot. What is this here? We have Wanted Spat and Grovel. She's a cute little figure, and I like she probably rides on. That's actually kind of a cool looking toy. I'm guessing that's from what's this, from Uncanny X-Men 350. Okay, I really like that. That one's cool. Ooh, okay, we have a power loader from the Alien line. Oh, that is really cool. That's newer, I think. What year is this from? I can't tell, but that's just a really neat play set. Really like that. Okay, and then we have a Storm doll. That's cool. And Arizona Gene Company Barbie doll. So that's cool. Barbies do sell in the shop. Okay, I'm not going to go through the Pokemon because it's mostly just regular rares and not holo rares, so there's nothing too exciting in there. This is a whole like set of like horses and horse riders. So like a whole equestrian set. He thinks it's worth probably between $100 and $200 for the whole set. I'm going to have to research that. I'm not 100% sure on that. But someone will want that. Oh, and then this is a whole bag of vintage toys. I think he needs me to get maybe $5 an item. I'm not sure And then the tanks, maybe more. They're really cool though. I do like these vintage 70s tanks. I think they're kind of neat looking. And then we have just a bag of loose toys. I don't think there's anything too exciting in here. Yeah, there's one bag of like vintage stuff, which I like that stuff, the 70s and 80s toys. Those are cool. Some modern Transformers. Moses. I had X-Wing pilot, a little Disney figure, just some mini Marvel figures and Pokemon and stuff. I mean, this stuff sells a couple bucks each, so I like getting that stuff. This just more like Batman, superhero stuff, Green Lantern, some vintage cowboys, I think. And some turtles, a few other things mixed in here. Yeah, so it's just some fun stuff. Nothing too exciting, but some skateboards and a bag of buttons. Okay, then one more bag we'll just take a quick look at. A bunch of cars and stuff. These we sell for like $1 or $2 a piece. Some horses. Little animals do sell. Oh, and dinosaurs. Dinosaurs sell really well for us. You know, I'll probably batch them up for probably like $1 or $2 a piece, and a lot, you know, 5 for $10 or 5 for $5 depending. Some Skylanders, we've actually started having some people ask for those recently. Horses and other animals, lots of animals which do sell eventually. A whole bunch of Pezzas. These will be probably like $1 a piece. And oh, there's a whole ton of animals in here. We stocked this up. Some sea life. So what I'm probably gonna do with these is I'm probably just gonna make little bundles for $5 to $10 a bundle. Probably, you know, just fill up like a pop protector full of animals, and then just a whole bunch of like lions and tigers and zebras, and some little teeny people. Okay, that's cool. Oh, and then he got me a whole bunch of trading card boxes, which we sell them by the pack. Something like this would probably be $2 a pack. This is the kind of stuff we need in the shop because it sells really well and we're kind of running low. So I'm actually happy to see a whole bunch of trading cards. All right, it was fun to be back in the shop, sorting through stuff, showing you guys new stuff in the shop. I kind of miss doing these kind of videos, and hopefully I can start doing them a little bit more often during the fall when the weather's nicer and I'm just more motivated to get them done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.